Conversations about health care in Central Texas are pretty important to have. Since our community is growing steadily, the need for medical care will increase. We're going to show you live pictures as we prepare for a KXAN Town Hall Meeting called ATXpansion, Healthcare in Central Texas. Doug Shoup takes a look at some of the topics likely to come up.
When it comes to health care, there's a lot to talk about, from the push for a medical school and teaching hospital to replace UMC Brackenridge.
Having a medical school here will enable us to provide more support personnel, more doctors.
People will no longer have to go to Houston or Dallas.
To the increase in freestanding emergency rooms to treat patients in suburban areas.
We can do lab studies, we can do CAT scans, we can do x-rays. We have basically everything we need to make diagnosis and to stabilize patients and to get patients what they need in one location.
Actually, they took me in right away. They took care of me right away. The staff was wonderful.
Under your tongue.
As Central Texas's population grows, there's also a need to address indigent care and access to medical facilities for those in rural communities.
We anticipate that the need for access is just going to continue to grow as these rural areas become more populous.
I mean, it's important because, you know, your life depends on it.
And although there are challenges that we face, there are also healthcare successes to celebrate.
So as a surgeon, it's like you're sitting inside the patient, and everything is miniaturized. So that allows you to get into very difficult places, ability to control and see things that you weren't able to do before.
Despite all the advances, there is also a growing need for us to all take better care of ourselves to prevent serious illness. That includes eating better, knowing our cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure levels, as well as exercising more.
If you don't keep your kids active and you don't give them a proper diet and you keep them inside, I guess, you know, diabetes is something that could always happen.
Healthcare means something different for everyone, but it's something we all need, and having access to it is something we all should have. Doug Shoup, KXAN News.
Now, you still have time to make it over to the ATXpansion Town Hall. It's happening tonight, 7 p.m. to 8 at the Hill Country Bible Church. That's the Northwest Campus in Cedar Park. You can also watch it live right here on KXAN or on our web stream at KXAN.com.